Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to watercolor these really cute bohemian rainbow cards. They're definitely one of my favorites, so let's get started. All you'll need for this card is some water, paper towel, paintbrushes, paint, and I like to use a white gel pen as accent. That is just optional. As you can see here, I used it right here, and in this card, I used it on this right here. For paper today, I will be using this Canson XL watercolor paper. I just got this from Michael's, and all the supplies I'm using will be linked in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out afterwards. Now that I have cut my paper, we can go ahead and get started with our painting. Okay, first off, we're going to pick a color palette. Do whatever you would like. I personally like these bohemian colors, so I'm going to do something along these lines. I always like to pick my color palette first. Okay, now I'm going to mix my colors. Okay, I'm going to be using my size 2 round brush, and I'm going to start off with this pink corally color, and we will start off by making the first arch of our rainbow. This is really simple. It's just like an upside down U shape. I kind of make mine squared at the bottom just to try and make it look a little bit more clean and neat. And then I go back around and try and make it a little bit thicker. Then I'm going to add more water to it. You always want to keep more water in your paint so that it doesn't dry up. Once you have finished your first arch, you can go ahead and choose your second color. You can do as many arches as you would like. Now for this one, I'm going to make this one a little bit thinner. Okay, once you have made your second arch, you can choose how many arches you want to do. If you want to do 2 or 3, I think I'm going to try and do 3, if not a few more here. So now I'm going to take my orangey color and I'm going to make another arch. And the arches are very simple. You're just going to do an upside down U shape. You can leave it like this if you want. I think it looks really cute, but for this particular card, I'm going to thicken up my arches. Okay, now that I've finished my third arch, I actually think I might add a fourth one to this. You never really know till you try. So for this one, I'm going to be using this darker brown color right here, and I'm going to mix it with my orange just to lighten it a bit. I'm going to do the same thing, one more arch, and this one is obviously smaller to fit in the center here, and I'm going to thicken this one up the same way I did the others. Okay, once you have finished your last arch, then you can let it dry. Once you have done that, you can add whatever type of handwriting you would like, and you can also add some white gel pen on it as well. To start off, I'm going to dry mine real quick. Okay, now it feels pretty dry. We can go ahead and move on to the white gel pen now. Okay, now I'm going to take my white gel pen and I'm going to make some fun lines on this rainbow. Now that I just finished up all of my white gel pen, I'm going to let that dry for just a second because sometimes if you accidentally smudge this one, it will smear, but I love how opaque it is. So I'm going to let this dry for just a second and then we can go ahead and add some writing. Okay, to do some writing on this card, I will be using these micron pens. I like to use a pencil to write out my quote first before I go in with my pen so that there's not as much of a chance for me to mess up. Now that I've penciled my hello, I'm going to go on top of that with my micron pen in size 2. Now that I've gone over it with the size 2, I'm going to take my size 3 micron and thicken up the downstroke lines. I'm not really good at calligraphy, I still need lots and lots more practice, but for now I'm just doing this faux calligraphy hack. So on all the downstrokes you will make them thicker, so I'm just going to use this size 3 micron to do that. Okay, I just finished up thickening all of my lines. Once this completely dries, so I know I won't smudge it, I will erase the pencil marks. But till then, I'm going to go back to my size 2 and make a cute little border around this card. Okay, I just finished up our cute little border on this card. Now I'm going to erase these pencil lines, tape it on a card, and it will be finished. And that is it for our super cute bohemian rainbow card. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I would love to have you join our little artsy community. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.